experience. And why would you come to XCentric? Well, you're going to meet people, obviously. You're going to meet people from around the EO community.
What I really come for are the connections, the conversations, the ability to talk to anyone from any chapter, really be able to go 5% with them within a matter of minutes.
Most EOers spend all of their time in their chapters, and any opportunity you have to get out of your chapter and meet all of the other people that are in EO, it's always magical.
My phone right now is full of notes because of all the nuggets other business owners are just dropping. Like, I don't even have time to process it right now or research it or look it up.
You never know which conversation, which speaker, which hallway moment is going to change your business, and you owe it to yourself to make the most out of your membership in this community, so just show up.
And one of the great things about EO is it's very eclectic. You get to get insights and network with people at all different levels of business, at every stage of growth in every industry.
We come as a community, we make new friends, long-lasting friendships, reconnect with folks that we haven't seen in a long time.
And I find everybody in EO is so friendly and open and willing to share that I can just walk up to anybody here at any point and just sit down and have a chat, and we can learn from each other, we can share, we can network.
I took 3 flights for 30 hours to get here, probably the furthest travel of anyone. And the only half of the conference this morning, one half of one day of the conference has been wildly worth it. The contacts I've made, the friends I've made for life here, who are also building their companies in different parts of the world.